I wonder if putting the kid in handcuffs was necessary.
What would you do if your child was placed in handcuffs for crying at school? Well, this was a reality for a 7-year-old black boy in Missouri, and it isn't rare for black and brown kids across the country.
I had a list in my bag of, it was titled Hit List, but it wasn't really to hurt anybody. And my friend took it out of my notebook. I saw him take it out, so I took it back from him. And my teacher came over and she took it from me. And I got up and I grabbed the paper and we were pulling it back and forth.
All the witness statements said the teacher was laughing, the teacher was playing, we were all laughing, we were all playing.
When we were pulling it back and forth, she was laughing at first, so I thought it was just as a joke, but she got serious and I let go. And then she left the class. And then the hall monitor came and then they escorted me to the office. The principal told the police officer to take me to the police station. And the scariest part was probably being handcuffed inside of there. I felt that I deserved maybe a couple days of suspension at most, but I didn't think it was really 180 days worth of a consequence.
When there's activities up at the school he can't attend, he can't go watch his sister, he can't watch his former teammates play.
I can't play football, so really I just throw the football around with my friends, play video games, watch TV, but I don't really see my friends as much.
Here I am now, thousands of dollars later, 6-7 months down the road, and all day long when I'm gone, I worry about Kyle. My son has gotten progressively depressed. I still see remnants of the old Kyle, but there's a sadness there, and that kills me.
Whether it's getting arrested for talking back or doodling on a desk, in-school policing is harming students by taking them out of school and helping funnel them into prisons. It's called the school-to-prison pipeline. We're talking about a structure of codes and punishments that criminalizes kids as early as preschool and increases their chances of ending up in the criminal justice system. 99% of New York City school children who were handcuffed in 2016 were Black or Latinx. This happens when school resource officers are called into classrooms to discipline students, sometimes for something as small as violating a dress code or grabbing candy from a teacher's desk. If the offense doesn't lead to an arrest, Black and brown students are still subject to harsher punishments than white students. Black students are 4 times more likely to be suspended than their white peers. Sometimes students are kicked out of school for basically just being Black. Like in cases across the country where Black girls were suspended for rocking braids or an afro. So, where do students go after they've been kicked out of school? Research shows they're 3 times more likely to end up in the juvenile justice system within a year. This is all part of an endless cycle. Once kids touch the juvenile justice system, they're 67% more likely to end up in jail again before they're 25. So, what lessons are schools and police really teaching our kids here? How can kids excel in school if they're always being kicked out of them?
I saw the check, nigga.